What's up, my ninjas? Okay, so trying to keep this quick, but it's probably going to be awful, and it's already starting out awful. So I'm starting to vlog. Instead of trying to get every single one of my videos absolutely perfect and criticizing the light and the audio and the everything all the time, I'm just going to post and learn as I go. I want to grow as a filmmaker. I aspire to be a great filmmaker, and I will be one as long as I keep this drive. And I decided, why not captivate an audience while I do it? Nobody might watch this, or a lot of people might watch this. Either or, I'm just going to keep doing me, talking to the camera as the audience, and improving. Checking out different lenses, different spots in my room, different microphone configurations, different editing techniques, learning to do transitions. There's so much stuff that I could be practicing on that I'm not, because I'm just waiting for the right moment to start filming for a skit or something like that. And like, why? Why wait? I could be doing this every day. If I have an idea, I'm telling you. If I start executing an idea, I'm telling you. If I don't like something, if I do like something, etc., I am documenting everything from now on. So with all that being said, I have some random clips I filmed, weed whacking and doing some stuff around the house. Just wanted to get in the habit of filming myself because it's a little tougher than I first thought. You know, keeping things in focus, relying on autofocus, the color science. There's a lot of things that can go wrong. So I'm just going to kind of throw together little montages here and then. And what I'm really aspiring to be like is Peter McKinnon. I don't want to sound like a complete and total fanboy, but Peter McKinnon's awesome, and his channel is extremely cinematic. And like, so is Daniel Schiffer and Matty Hapoya, and I love Potato Jet. I love all those channels. They're all rad, and I want to be like that. But I want to be my own. I don't want to copy, but they are great inspirations because they are great people, and they have great channels and great formats. And I'm just going to roll with that. I'm going to do some Premiere Pro tutorials, definitely some Photoshop tutorials. You can see some of my work. I'll post it up right now. I want to get really good with transitions like Ben TK and Sam Colder and JRLE. They do some amazing things with their transitions and their travel videos, and I want to learn to do that in my own way. I'm going to start editing like all of these people, nailing their styles, and from all of their styles, I will create my own. And that's what I did with photography. After I mimicked so many people and did tutorials down to the T, I started to find my own style. I took a little bit of everybody, and then I took a lot of my own influence, and I made something that was my own, which is kind of matte and kind of on the blue side of things. But anyway, I need to do that with videography. And Kitty, meow! I will let you out after I film this video. The world is waiting for my precious voice. Hey! Scratching at my door, just totally destroying it. So if I have any other clips that I film, random little things, I'll throw them in. I think I got some clips of my lovely lady friend here. I'll throw those in now. Not really fully edited, but it's just something. That's what I mean. I'm just going to start filming, start practicing with my gimbal and my glide cam, and I love my glide cam. Yeah, so I think that about wraps it up. I'm going to throw this footage in and start editing, and hopefully it comes out decent. Like the video? That's always good. Leave a comment. That's also really good. And until next time, later, nerd.